What do you normally look for when shopping for a laptop? I can possibly guess something stylish, has great battery life, has some cool features for bragging rights, a great display to watch your favorite movies after a hard day at work or even working on the same laptop, and most importantly, it is small enough to carry around and not break your back. Well, ASUS went on ahead and did it again with what I would call a beta and better version from the first installation of the Zenbook 14. From Techweez, I'm tekItnGo with the ASUS Zenbook 14 UX434 FAC review. Let's take it and go. Before we continue, here's a kind reminder to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon to get updates whenever we post any new video on your latest consumer tech. Now, last year we reviewed the Zenbook UX434, which was a small but capable and stylish laptop, and now we have its successor, UX434. That retains that design that we loved, but is now faster thanks to the updated specs and some fixes to aid with user convenience. The screen pad, for example, looks bigger than the younger brother, and the battery is touted to last longer. An improvement indeed. Make sure to catch the review of the UX434 on this link here or here, but if not here or here, down in the description box below. If you thought the 2017 Zenbook 14 was small at 324x225mm, well, the Zenbook 14 2019 comes at 319x199mm. I know, right? Our review unit has the latest quad-core Intel Core i7-10510U processor with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of NVMe SSD storage. It also has a new Wi-Fi 6 modem, which is way faster than the old Wi-Fi 5. It has the power to handle various productivity tasks that you throw at it, like browsing and using Microsoft Office. Plus, believe it or not, I'm actually able to do a full edit. Not the hard, intense graphics ones, but just the light, quick edits. Our unit also doesn't come with a dedicated graphics card, but you can get that as an option. The body is standard Zenbook with metallic finish on the lid and bottom. The royal blue color for me gives a very executive feel to it. Then the rose gold trim panel above the keyboard gives it a feel of luxury. Clearly a premium laptop. The main screen is a 14-inch 1080p touchscreen display with extremely tiny bezels with a screen-to-body ratio of 92% that makes the laptop look extremely sleek, just like its predecessors. On the top bezel is the infrared camera capable of hands-free Windows Hello login that you can also use Alexa and Cortana to do tasks with. A thing to note is the webcam is not 1080p like the extended webcams seen with the ASUS gaming laptops. It works fine though for video conferencing, or should I say daily work from home tasks that need video correspondence, but you'll have to be somewhere with good lighting. It still has the same EgoLift design, which lifts the keyboard up, improving airflow to cool the components as well as offer a comfortable typing experience. This laptop has fans that generate 15% more airflow for better cooling, and you can control how loud the fans are with their quiet fan app. The keys still have 1.4mm key travel and they are backlit, but I feel the power button has been dangerously placed as part of the other keys. You might end up accidentally powering off when the intention was to delete something, and it seems that what was once, or might have once started as a gimmick, is turning out to be a Zenbook standard, the secondary screen. But it is still optional. If it doesn't excite you, you can opt for one without it. Our unit comes with a ScreenPad 2.0, a 5.56-inch 1080p touchscreen that works as a secondary display to the main display, works as a touchpad, number pad, handwriting pad useful for drawing and digital signatures, and also as a shortcut pad. I say this because you have quick access to apps like Spotify and Evernote without interrupting your work on the main screen. You can even swipe apps to the screen pad as you would on your phone and launch them from there. ASUS also worked with developers like Corel to optimize the screen pad for their apps. This is still a cool part of the experience of an ASUS laptop, and they have continued to improve on it. A notable improvement is the quick access to your custom task groups, quick switch to touchpad and screen pad by just tapping the screen pad icon, and where this is my favorite, the 3-finger tap gesture, where you can also swipe up or down to switch to touchpad mode. Nice! The I/Os remain limited but convenient, where on the left side we have the power in, HDMI port, a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port. On the right side, you will see the headphone jack, a USB 2.0 port, and a micro SD card reader. They are clearly not going to switch from that. I guess we'll just have to get used to carrying an SD card reader. And I wonder why they also need to combine USB 3.1 and 2.0 on the same laptop. Just get rid of USB 2 already. For sound, it continues the Zenbook tradition of Harman Kardon certified audio to provide great audio, which is great for instances when you're watching a movie or music on your laptop. The volume though is not really that great, as the bottom blaring speakers do lose a bit of sound, especially if you have the laptop on top of your lap, which is ideally where you'd have a laptop on top of your lap. But if you have it on a surface like a desk or a table, the extra solids kind of work like amplifiers to the sound. Quite an interesting high school physics class reminder, huh? This is also a pretty light laptop with a weight of 1.26 kilograms. A lot of you guys want a light laptop that you can carry, and this one ticks that crucial box for you. It has also been torture tested to military-grade reliability standards, a test that involves several extremes imposed on the laptop for operation in harsh environments. ASUS claims that the 50-watt-hour battery that is inside this laptop will give you up to 12.3 hours of battery life. But so far, it did give me 8 solid hours, possibly because I had the screen pad active the whole time. So I would assume the 12 plus hours is with light usage, but still, 8 hours is an incredible all-day battery life for your productivity tasks. The ASUS UX434 FAC still offers the best of what we loved about last year's UX433 and updates it with newer Intel chips, Wi-Fi 6 support, which is way faster than the older model, and an updated screen pad. It was already a winning formula, and now it has even been made better and still offers a 14-inch screen in a body that is smaller than most 13.3-inch laptops in the market, which is still really cool by today's standards. It is a laptop ideal for office work, browsing, entertainment with videos and music. It is light, so mobility is a plus, and you can try some light photo and video editing. Just don't push it to heavy gaming, especially without a dedicated graphics card. It will suffer, that's for sure. Find the price details and where to buy the ASUS Zenbook 14 in Kenya in the description down below. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now you go.